Hey, so you want to sell Canva templates on Gumroad and make money from your designs? In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create, upload, and start selling templates for profit. First, design your template in Canva. It could be social media posts, presentations, planners, or marketing materials. Make it editable and user-friendly. Export your template as a shareable Canva link. Make sure you enable view-only or template link so buyers can duplicate it without editing your original. Go to Gumroad and sign up or log in. You need an account to upload and sell your templates. Click Add a Product in your dashboard. Choose Digital Product, since templates are downloadable links. In the Product Upload section, include your Canva template link in the download file or description. Buyers will get the link instantly after purchase. Give your template a catchy title, write a clear description, and add preview images or mock-ups. This helps buyers understand what they're getting. Decide on your pricing strategy. Fixed price, pay what you want, or even free with optional tips. Make sure the price reflects the value of your template. Connect PayPal or your bank in payout settings. Gumroad will send your earnings automatically every time someone buys your template. Share your template link on social media, design communities, blogs, and email lists. Create free value like demos or tutorials to attract buyers. Answer questions and feedback from buyers. Good support builds trust and encourages repeat purchases for future templates.